romaine lettuce, fresh cilantro, and mint, fresh vegetables smothered in a lemon garlic sumac dressing tossed with bite-sized pieces of pita bread makes this salad a Middle Eastern tradition. I'm slicing 12 romaine lettuce leaves stacked on top of one another crosswise and sliding the cut leaves into a large salad bowl. I have my fresh vegetables prepped and ready to add to my romaine lettuce. 1 cup of diced tomato, half an English cucumber diced, 1 cup of diced green pepper, and 2 green onions thinly sliced. I'm running the blade of my knife over the top of my fresh cilantro to collect the leaves and to minimize the number of stems. This cilantro is added to the salad bowl. After cutting the fresh mint, freshly cut mint leaves are added as well. I have a few day-old and stale pita. I'll add 2 small pitas torn into pieces. To make the dressing, I mix 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a half a teaspoon sumac spice, and a half a teaspoon of salt, all together in a small bowl. I'll let the dressing rest for a while to infuse the olive oil base with my minced garlic and sumac spice. Now that I'm ready to serve this fattoush salad, I'll pour my prepared dressing over everything and toss it together to infuse the vegetables and leaves with this luscious and tangy dressing. Once the dressing is mixed in, the fresh salad should be enjoyed immediately. Doesn't this bite look fresh and inviting? Delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.